Let's unbox my new mechanical keyboard. The first thing I notice is the design. It has these retro aesthetic vibes with rounded keypads that gives the vintage feel. It's definitely different from your typical mechanical keyboard. It comes with charger and the extra space bar. The function is very simple, comes with the Type-C port, on and off button, window and Mac switch. It also has the USB port. Let's talk about the typing experience. This is where it gets interesting. The keys are really satisfying. Lofi has used their own mechanical switches and they give a nice tactical feedback without being too loud. It's been a year I have been using this keyboard and I'm very impressed, whether it's for typing long essay or gaming session with my friends. Alright, that's all for today's unboxing and review video. Let me know in the comment what you think about this keyboard, and if you have used any other Lofi products, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.